Hello everyone and welcome back to another portfolio update. So today I'm going to sort of mix my two portfolios into one video, and I'll be going through my stocks and crypto portfolios. So that's my Trading 212 ISA and my Coinbase cryptocurrency portfolio. Do these videos in one as it's been just under a month since I did my last update, and since then it's been a bit of a rocky road. So again, I would like to show the rough with the smooth, when we're doing well, when we're not doing so well. And again, well and not well is a point of view, I feel, in terms of buying potentials, etc. So first we'll start off with the Trading 212 stocks and shares ISA, and then we'll go into the crypto portfolio after that. I usually do them separate videos, but again, like I just said, this is a good time to just do them in one, while I've not got that many holdings as well. So we can see now my current portfolio in Trading 212 is £2,706. The stock market still is open today. It's 8:15 while I'm filming this video, so we have 45 minutes left. So as you can see, I'm up £234, just under 10%, which is pretty bad compared to what it was just a month ago. So we can see at the start of this, well, not the start of the month, sorry, I always get this mixed up. 30 days ago, on the 27th of December, I was up just under £700 or 28%. And we actually saw a really big rise all the way up to almost £1,000 return, and that was pretty much as good as it got. Since then we've seen it absolutely tumble, quite rapid over the last month or so. Again, still in the green, so the positives are there, and again, I'm just still not worried. Just ride it out, buy the dip, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's where we're at the moment, up £245. So the first stock I'm going to look at is Apple. So we can see there, Apple, I'm up 26.65% with. I'm still in the green, £250 in profit. So in the last week, we're down 4.6% on Apple. The last month down 10%. But still in the last 3 months, you got to zoom. The more you zoom out, the healthier it looks. 6.21%. This is going to fluctuate while I'm filming this. So whatever I say, I'm just going to stick it at that. And then the year we are up 10.71%. So it is pretty important to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. So yeah, my return £249 with Apple, long-term hold. So I'm not really bothered what these do in the short term. I know we're seeing the heights of the 170s, 180s again. Who knows when it'll be, but I know it will happen again. So that's the first stock, which is Apple. And the next one, which is Bio-nanogenomics, absolute tanking at the moment. Really struggling. They have been even before all this, what's been going on in the stock market with Russia and everything else that's been happening in the world that's still going on with the you-know-what disease. So Bio-nano, long-term hold again for me. I'm not really bothered what they do in the short term. I've got the faith in this company, but these have been really hit hard over the last over the last month and last 3 months, down 61% in the last 3 months and down 80% in the year. So we have seen them be at $14 in the last year. And again, I hope they could reach the heights again, but I'm being patient. So my investment, I've got 100 shares at the moment. I did sell a few not long ago, a few months ago. This is before all this. So my return now currently is down £317 or 68%. I'm in Bio-nano for the long term, so I'm not too bothered. If I get some extra cash, I'll probably pump a bit more money into these. So that's the second stock, which is Bio-nanogenomics, ticker symbol BNGO. Then finally, we have my best performing stock, which is Tesla. So I'm just going to look at the last month at the minute. So they're down 13.74% in the last 30 days, 7.46% down in the last week. And today we are actually up slightly. They have gone down as the days gone on. They were sort of, they was up a good 4%, up to almost $1,000 again, but now they've gone back down since then. So my return is I'm up £302 or 28.38%. And again with Tesla, very volatile stock, but in the last year we are still up, which is good. And I do think we'll see the $1,200 mark again, which we've touched a couple of times in the last couple of months. So that is my stocks, the good, the bad and the ugly, pretty much all ugly at the moment. So I'm now going to take you over to look at my Coinbase cryptocurrency portfolio and let me show you how that is doing as also. So here we are now, guys, in the Coinbase portfolio. I'll be going over my couple of crypto assets, and again, you'll be seeing a similar trend as in the stock market. We are seeing a lot of downturns, but again, I'm not seeing this as a bad opportunity. So the portfolio is currently at £312. We are down from a high this week of 458 on as low as 258. So we've seen a bit of a pullback since then. But in the month, we've been as high as just under 600. And again, a low of 258. And in the year, high as 645 and a low of 81p. So that's when I first deposited. So into the assets. Well, the first coin we'll look at is Quant Coin. These have been absolutely tanking it, but again, I'm a big advocate of Quant and the projects that they are planning in the future. I do think this coin will be a massive hit from time to come, and I think in years' time, not financial advice by the way, just reiterating that, I do think this coin will be a big winner in a lot of people's portfolios. Since their all-time high back in, when was it now? September last year, they got up to around £300, and since then it's been downhill. This big climb, like a roller coaster ride, big climb, big fall down as well. So I just have 3 Quant coins at the moment. I bought mine all relatively high, but again, I'm looking at the bigger picture with this coin. I do think this will be in the thousands one day. Don't quote me on that, but that's just what I believe personally. And again, when I have a little bit of spare cash, I want to add a couple of more of these quants while they're still under £100, because I don't think they'll be there for too long. That's my personal opinion. And the second one, which I managed to buy during this dip, if people want to call it, is Lcx Token. So I have over 1,000 of these tokens now. Very cheap to buy. I bought my last set, I think I bought around £50 worth at 8p, I think it was last week, I'm not too sure. So it looks like I'll have £89 in there, which I do. But again, this is a coin which I think has massive upside potential. We have very small market cap, 750 million coins in circulation. Again, that's not a load, but not few either. If you compare it to a lot of these meme coins, it's absolutely nothing because they have a lot of trillions. But I do think this project, again, LCX, they're going to be getting regulated soon. And I do see similar patterns with LCX as I did with Binance a few years ago. Well, I didn't see it a few years ago, obviously, I may have bought them. But I'm going to look at Binance now. They went to, I think it was went from around about these prices, maybe a bit higher, all the way up to $500. So it shows it is possible, and if LCX can get even to half of what Binance reached, I'll be pretty happy. So that's what we have to report. All it is down over the last month, but I'm not panicking. I'm just chilling. I'm just enjoying the dips, and I'm not too bothered about them. I think they need them. That is how wealth is created. You're not going to get rich by buying high all the time. So any further questions, any further thoughts, guys, just let me know in the comments what you think of these two portfolios and how your Coinbase, how your crypto portfolios are doing if you have one, and let me know what you think of the Trading 212 portfolio as well. But on that note, I'm going to leave you to it today, guys. Take care. Bye.